Hello, lovely viewers. So, recently, if you update your phone or your Google apps and having problem launching your apps, for example, Gmail, open, close, open again, keep closing, yeah, app keep stopping. This here, my friend, search in Google Play Store, System Web View, see Google, LLC, select icon. Yeah. After app is uninstalled, return to home page. Launch your Gmail app. See, getting messages. Open message. Here you go. Apps seems to be working perfectly. So if you recently installed an app and it failed to launch, System Web View might be your problem. So you might have to wait for a newer update.